With reverence, we come here to veterans memorial Christ in laying down their lives for their country. We are humbled before them and recall the many more who are not here written in scrolls. We are moved to ask your blessing on all of us.
Attleboro to all of you, but also just to enjoy being here and thinking about what it is that this Memorial Common means to the city of Attleboro.
Today, and ask them to stand up. Councilor John Lepper. Councilor David Prue. Question as to why we were fighting in Vietnam. But the mistake was not giving the men and women, our brothers and sisters and cousins and friends, pay tribute to those of our citizens who paid the supreme sacrifice and gave their lives to preserve the freedoms, the liberties that we enjoy as Americans.
I'd like to commend and applaud you and pay tribute to all of you who came out today. This is about my 7th memorial service this weekend.
This beautiful day in Attleboro. I knew Attleboro was a special place when I came here for the first time and saw this beautiful park and how much effort and love.
Standing here on this very sacred, very hallowed, very honored ground, this little piece of Attleboro, little piece of us, could remain free. To protect and defend. It left May 30th.